Hello guys, welcome back to Coupon News. Today in this video, I'm going to review the Moto G72. This mobile comes with a 108 megapixel camera and and India's first billion color 10-bit 120Hz POLED display, and it comes with a 110 megapixel ultra pixel camera system for incredible pictures and quality. This sale is going to start by October 12th and 12 p.m. This got like a one. It has one variant like a 6 GB 128 GB variant, and it comes into three colors. One is white, pink, and gray color. And now we are going jumping to the complete description, like complete mobile details. Before going topic, make sure subscribe to this channel, say click like button, share this video. Billions of colors, zero border, and we have a here's a we have a doll like a billions of colors, zero borders. This is one of the if you in between they are mentioned that they're going to sell this mobile for 14k to 14,000 rupees with a brilliant color and detailing. And this is the back camera. We have a three cameras and one flashlight. 108 megapixel main camera, like a ultra pixel cam system with incredible pictures and captures all life shoot with a serious 108 megapixel camera packed with a creativity possibility. And these are the some of the pictures done with this mobile. I think so, like remaining two cameras, one is 8 megapixel, one is 2 megapixel depth camera, I think so. Right, it has a 4x more frame than a standard, like a 118% ultra wide angle lens capture more what you eyes sees, like a adjust your focus. You can easily adjust your focus. This is the quality of images comes from the 5x closer than standard camera. These are the some of the photo magic, like there's so many options, like we have a beauty option modes. This mobile also comes with a so many modes. And one more thing is, like this mobile comes with a Mediatek Helio G99 chipset. I think previously these are latest, I think so, latest chipset from Mediatek. Helio processor boosts gaming. How they are telling that effective by 20%, 6 nm chipset preserving battery life even during the most damaging games. Like they're telling that most damaging, but you can game like a moderate gaming experience with this mobile. And next, going with the charging, this mobile comes with the rechargeable fastest charger, like 33 volts fast charging, and as well as 5000 microamps battery. And it comes with turbo power. We have a like a fingerprint in display fingerprint. This is the most important. Many mobile nowadays not coming with in who are the like who loves like like in display fingerprint. You can go with this mobile. It comes with the IP50 water repellent design. This one is the one of the best. And it comes with the Android Pulse stock Android, compared to like a every Motorola and most of Samsung mobile and Nokia comes with the stock Android. We have good like a OS you can blindly go with. It comes with thick thin shield for mobile. And I'm going to show you few more details about this camera technical specifications. Like it comes with a specification. You will note that it comes with a 112 operating system and Helio and GPU 2.2 GHz octa-core processor and GPU G57 for gaming purpose, like a OS upgrade, and you can upgrade OS to next level. Coming to it, like it's a little bit compared to now, most of mobiles are coming with a 6.7 inch, and now this mobile comes with a 6.5 inch full HD plus OLED 128 cm display, and resolution is like a 118 246 to be a full HD plus OLED display. And coming to 20:9 aspect ratio. And now I'm going to come to camera features. In this, we have I told you 108 megapixel ultra pixel sensor you can shoot much high quality videos. And 8 megapixel camera comes with f2.2 and 1.2 aperture, ultra megapixel ultra wide angle depth, and 2 megapixel front 2.4 like a macro camera. And you can shoot there, like in front camera we have a 16 megapixel compared to other mobiles, like Motorola comes with a good quality camera lens. You can even if the megapixel is low, you can take high quality pictures with this mobile. And but I don't know whether this like a shooting mode, snipe in video recording, single LED flash, and shooting mode. There's so many features like 360 panoramic. These are the great camera software, like a real capture, smart compression shoot. There's most of the features are available in this mobile. And front camera we have a 2.45 ultra megapixel, like a 2.45 ultra megapixel. You can get high, like a great pictures with this mobile. And now coming to the audio system, like we have a dual stereo speaker smartphone and 3.5 headset jack. Oh, they give me headset jack and microphones, two microphones. Which have the mobile has two microphones. FM radio also available. You can, it's not a 5G phone. It's a two, like a 4G phone. You can go with this one if you moderate user. If you are a moderate gaming, this one is the best, like a best suitable for your game. OS wise clean OS. You can everything is design wise good. Everything is good, and size also not that big. Moderate size, you can use it comfortably. And if you are interested, Motorola always comes with a quality. You can go with blindly go in this mobile if they would sell for 14,000. No other till now no mobile is coming for 14,000 which has 108 megapixel camera with good sensor and good ultra megapixel quality. I hope you like this video. Make sure subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Share, like, share, and comment. Thank you. Have a nice day.